Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This opens your profile screen so you can access account options. Tap the gear icon in the top right to enter settings. Scroll to the My Account section to find email. Confirm you can access the email field under My Account before changing. If two-factor prompts appear, complete them now to keep access secure. Keep your old Gmail signed in on another device for recovery if needed. Tap the email field and type your new Gmail address exactly. Use the full address including @gmail.com to avoid delivery errors. Snapchat will send a verification code to the new Gmail address. Open your Gmail app or webmail to find the message from Snapchat. Enter the verification code in Snapchat to confirm the new email. Wait for confirmation that the email update completed successfully and check for any error messages. If you did not receive the code, check spam and refresh your Gmail inbox. Resend the code from Snapchat after waiting 1 minute to avoid rate limits. Use account recovery if you cannot access your old Gmail or Snapchat login. Provide the recovery email or phone number shown in Snapchat to regain control. Enable two-factor authentication to secure your Snapchat account after updating. Keep a record of your updated email and review connected apps for unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.